All right, let's dive right in. Today, we're talking about something that, let's be honest, can make a lot of us a little nervous: algebra. But we're going to look at it through a new lens: the art of simple algebra. And hey, if you've ever felt that little jolt of anxiety, this one's for you.
I mean, it's a fair question, right? Why is it that the moment a single letter, like an X or a Y, shows up in a math problem, our brains just hit the brakes? If you know that feeling, trust me, you are in good company. A lot of us see algebra as this unbreakable, secret code. But here's the thing about codes: every single one of them can be cracked. You just need the right key. And that's exactly what we're going to find today.
And that key? Well, it has nothing to do with being some kind of math genius. Nope. It's all about shifting your perspective, about coming at it with a totally new mindset. It's about making it simple.
So let's look at this. On the left, you've got algebra's reputation. It's complicated, it's intimidating, it's just this long, long list of rules you have to memorize. But the reality? It's actually a really simple logical system. Its entire purpose is just to help you find an answer. That's it.
So let's just agree to throw out the whole idea of memorizing a bunch of random rules. Instead, we're going to focus on understanding just two simple principles that are the foundation for, well, everything else.
Okay, first up, the absolute bedrock of all algebra. Principle number one is all about finding the balance.
This is such a great way to think about it. An equation isn't just a jumble of numbers and letters. It's a story. It's telling you that the stuff on one side of the equal sign is exactly the same as the stuff on the other side. You can almost picture it like a perfectly balanced scale. So here's how that works. First, just picture that equal sign as the middle of the scale. And you know both sides weigh the same. So, and this is the golden rule, whatever you do to one side, you have to do the exact same thing to the other. If you add 10 pounds to the left, you've got to add 10 pounds to the right to keep it from tipping over. Simple as that. Every move gets mirrored.
So once you've got that whole balance thing down, you can use it to do the real work. And that brings us to principle number two: isolate the unknown.
I love this. That X isn't something to be afraid of. It's the answer to a puzzle. It's the hidden clue in a mystery. Your job is to be a detective, to just carefully clear away all the other stuff that's cluttering it up until X is standing there all by itself, revealed. And see, this is where it all comes together. You spot your target, the X, then you just undo what's happening to it. If something's being added, you subtract it. If it's being multiplied, you divide. And for every single move you make, you use that first principle, the balance rule, until finally the mystery is solved.
Right here, this is it. This is your new mantra for algebra. Keep it balanced, clear the path, and reveal the answer. That's the whole game.
Okay, so this all sounds nice, but why does it actually matter? Well, because getting this mindset right has payoffs that go way, way beyond a math test. When you think this way, everything changes. Those scary problems, they just become puzzles. That math anxiety, it gets replaced with actual confidence. And the best part is you stop just memorizing what to do and you start understanding why you're doing it. And that kind of logical thinking, you can use that anywhere. So what this really is a transformation. Algebra stops being this giant wall in your way, and it becomes a tool in your pocket, a tool for thinking clearly and solving problems, no matter what they are. And that's the thought I want to leave you with today. Seriously, think about it. What other big, impossible problem in your life, maybe it's your budget, a tricky project at work, anything, what could you solve if you just applied these two ideas? Find the balance and isolate the unknown. Thanks so much for tuning in.